In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Jira on Windows. We'll go through the process from downloading the app to connecting it with your Jira instance, so you can get everything set up smoothly and start using it right away. If you are following along on your own computer, make sure you are connected to the internet, since both the installation and the account connection steps will require online access. To begin, open the Microsoft Store from your Windows taskbar or from the Start menu. Once the store opens, go to the search bar at the top and type Jira. From the search results, select Desktop App for Jira. Be sure you choose the correct app so you are installing the official desktop version intended for Windows. When you are on the app page, click the Get or Install button to start downloading it. At this point, Windows will begin downloading and installing the application automatically. This may take a little time depending on your internet speed and system performance, so just give it a moment to finish. During installation, it's best to avoid closing the Microsoft Store or interrupting the process. Once the installation is complete, launch the app. At this stage, the app is installed, but before you can actually use it, you will need to connect it to your Jira instance. To do that, first sign in to your existing Jira account through your web browser. After you are signed in, click Apps, and then choose Explore More Apps. This takes you to the App Marketplace area where you can add the connector needed for the desktop app to communicate with your Jira environment. In the search bar there, search for Desktop Connector for Jira, then click Try Free. This add-on is what connects your Jira Cloud or data center instance to the Windows desktop app you just installed. After that, copy the web address for your Jira instance. Make sure you copy the correct URL, because the desktop app will use that address to locate and connect to your account. Now go back to the desktop app. Paste the URL into the appropriate field and click Login. From there, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to approve access or confirm your sign-in through your browser. Once that's done, your Jira desktop app should be connected and ready to use on Windows. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.